Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to connect your smart television in your LAN cable. It's very simple process how to do it. We will see why I am connecting, because of sometimes my Wi-Fi is not connected and I'm facing the problem. That's why I fix. This is my Wi-Fi router. I just put it one LAN cable, one port here and one port my television, and now we will see how to connect and how to start actually. Is connecting. It's very simple. One LAN port, you put it in your television, connected one, and second one I put it on my Wi-Fi router here, and now I go back home screen. Here, look at this. Intranet is connected. I'm not doing anything. Look at this here, automatically connected. Now I go back my application or videos are looking or not. Let's see. Fantastic, Mr. Beast. Perfect. It's very simple tips and tricks. You can connect your internet via LAN cable. No need to add any IP address. This is simple tips and tricks. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.